Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you the giraffe print nail art design step by step guide. A classic giraffe print manicure. Let's talk about the step number 1. Step number 1 is start by painting your nails with a pale yellow nail polish. Step number 2, using a nail art brush and a nail polish, create straight edge rectangular shapes set closely together to form the giraffe print. Same step repeat in all the nails, like using a nail art brush and a brown nail polish. Create straight edge rectangular shapes set closely together to form the giraffe print. Finally, apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here you go. Your design, beautiful giraffe nail art design is ready to show your friends and family member as well. If you like giraffe print nail art, or if you need more information about beautiful nail art designs, please comment below and write us about that, how to learn and how to educate the nail art design step by step guide. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, please comment below me. I hope you today like my giraffe nail art design. I am 10-year experience about nail art designer in US, California. So please let me know and let us know about that. Thank you very much for watching my video. Take care.